Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about two different dusters. One is going to be the Swiffer. I love using this duster because it is so easy just to grab and go. If they get dirty, you can replace it really quick and then just grab the next and continue on doing your work. I clean homes for a living, so these are just so easy to grab and just get the jobs done very quickly. They do get dirty, easy, but that's okay. I'm going to tell you a little hack that I use at the end of this video, but I love using these dusters over multiple other dusters that I have tried in the past. But today we're going to put this up, the Swiffer up against the Scrub Daddy damp duster. Never heard of this, I've never used it, so I like to see how it works. The directions say lightly wet damp duster with tap water to sweep hard surfaces, trapping dust and other light debris on contact to prevent their escape into the air. Ideal for windowsills, blinds, fence, shelves, molding, and more. So we're standing in front of a blind, and I'm going to use it on the blind because the blinds are very dusty. I'm going to also use it on the windowsill, and I have some molding next to my window that I'm going to try it on as well. So that way I can give you some insight on how this product actually works. And if you want to give it a try, I will let you know at the end of this video what I thought about this damp duster versus my favorite Swiffers. So let's see how they compare. And yeah, with this said, let's get started. I'm going to show you what the windowsill looks like. Yes, it's pretty gross, but I wanted to show you what this damp duster is going to do. I'm going to also do my molding, and I'm going to do my blinds as well. Okay, so we have the Scrub Daddy duster, and I am going to clean my windowsill with this and just see how it all works. Just, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to test it out for you too, just in case that you're looking into buying this, and let me give you my honest opinion if it's worth the money or not. So here we go. Wow, and that is pretty impressive. It kept all the hair and the dirt on it, so that's pretty impressive. I want to try the other side and see if it will do the... Okay, it's very impressive to me. So let's try the Swiffer duster as well. So we're gonna do one side with the Swiffer duster, and then we're gonna do the other side with the Scrub Daddy, and I will let you know, my thoughts on this. Look at my duster. Look how disgusting it is. Pretty dirty, right? So let's see how the Scrub Daddy duster does. Here's that. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna turn my camera, and then we're gonna do that over here. And I just wanna see how it compares with my Swiffer. Actually, okay, so I did multiple little areas. So you see how dirty? So it is getting it off. And the back side is dirty as well. So we'll come back and I will do some of my crown molding and see how that works. Okay, let's try. So which duster came out on top? Honestly, they both work great. The Scrub Daddy, it's a damp cloth, and then this is dry. So that's the difference between them both. This one's on like a wand, and this is not. This did very well. It impressed me. When I did my windowsill, it grabbed all of the hair, all of the debris, and it really did impress me. This is spongy. It feels like a magic eraser to me. I will be honest, I did have to keep, going to the sink and rinsing this off. I did not like it on my blinds. It spread the dirt around. So I have my own way of cleaning blinds, but I just don't recommend this on blinds, but it could be good for other surfaces in your home that are dusty. The Swiffer will come out on top for me today, just because I love Swiffers. I know that they're expensive. The Scrub Daddy cost me about $4 in a local grocery store. These are $16.99 for 18 dusters. But I will tell you, I'll give you a little hack on the dusters. I wash and dry these up to 2 times. And then when I get ready to use these again, I just take a multi-surface pledge and I spray them, and they work great. It works just as good as if I was taking this out of the box for the first time. So I really, really love my Swiffer dusters. I've used other dusters in the past. I've used microfiber dusters. They're okay, they serve their purpose, but my go-to for quick and easier jobs, to get the jobs done much easier, would be the Swiffers. If you found value in this video, I just try to bring these videos to you, do the product reviews for you, so that way you don't waste your money on going out and buying a product that is not going to work for you. If you have used either one of these, let me know in the comments, which one do you like the best? Why do you like it? I would love to chat with you about what you use and even if it's not these two, what other dusters do you use that I would love to try them out as well. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to this channel, please do so. It helps my channel, and I would greatly appreciate all the feedback that you have for me. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.